2012, CRA issued a few small pronouncements. Firstly, they increased the YMPE level, and they set this each year. The yearly maximum pensionable earnings for 2013 is set at $51,100. The primary effects for SR&ED on what we call specified employees. That's any employee who owns 10% or more of any class of stock, or anyone related to such a shareholder. The key effects for specified employees are twofold. One, there's a limit on the direct R&D labor that we can claim for them of 5 times yearly maximum pensionable earnings. So for 2013, it means the first $255,000 that we pay to a specified employee, typically an owner-manager, will qualify for SR&ED credits. Any SR&ED salaries above $255,500 would still qualify as a deduction, but they would not earn credits. If payments above $255,000 were made to an employee who didn't own 10% or more of any class of stock or wasn't related to such a shareholder, there's no limits on the amount that we can claim for them for SR&ED. These limits, or a similar limit of 2.5 times YMPE, applies for calculation of something called the salary base that is in turn multiplied by 60 or 65% to determine what they call the proxy amount or the overhead allocation. So the maximum salary base that we can use for the overhead allocation for a specified employee is exactly half of the labor amount, or 2.5 times YMPE, being $127,750 for the 2013 taxation year. Again, your tax software calculate these limits and related calculations. Second major change was the new T661 form to reflect changes in the 2012 budget. Namely, contract expenditures are reduced by 20%, limited to 80% of the amount paid to the contractor, and the proxy allocation amount is reduced from 65 to 60%, prorated for the 2013 taxation year.